Hey there, fellow developers. I hope you all are doing great. So, welcome to a new playlist. And in this session, I'm going to discuss about JavaScript. And before I dive into the topic, I would like to mention that this topic is going to be those people who are already familiar with JavaScript, a beginner programmer of JavaScript. So, in this playlist, we're going to solve some random problems from a very famous website which is called HackerRank.com. So if you are not familiar with HackerRank.com, please type 10 days of JavaScript HackerRank. Okay, and this thing will take you to the page. And from this page, we're going to solve these problems. You can see. So we're going to start from the day 0, which is hello world problem, and we'll solve this problem first. Before you start, I'd like to mention that please follow objective, tasks, and input format and output format so that you can solve this problem very easily. So here you can see we have to print two things, that means two lines, and first line will contain hello world and second line will contain a random string. So here you can see this function is already capable to print the hello world. We need to type another console.log so that we can print this random string too. So we are going to do nothing but type the console.log, and here we have to just pass this parameter variable which is mentioned here. Okay, and just put a semicolon. So now run this code, and I hope this code will run perfectly. And here you can see this code is running perfectly. So just submit the code and you can go to the next challenge. So this next challenge will solve in the next video. So I'm going to wrap up this video here. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So thank you everyone. Have a good day.